Hi there, my name is Christy Conda from Miller Motorcars, and today I'm here to show you the all-new 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport Nero Edizione. A new color on the Giulia for model year 20 is going to be this dark green metallic, and the color name of this is called Verde Visconti, and it pairs well with the yellow calipers and the tan interior. At the forefront of the refined interior, you see dramatic changes in the new Alfa Romeo 2020 Giulia TI Sport Nero Edizione. The first change starts out with a redesigned center console, which adds a port for your phone that is also wireless charging equipped. You have the DNA buttons, which carry over from model year 2019, and then you just have a reposition of the parking brake as well, and redesigned knobs. Alfa Romeo has added a new premium leather-wrapped shifter as well as a race-inspired steering wheel, which has a whole new feel to the wheel. The wheel feels larger and rounder. New performance pages allow drivers to track key performance metrics, while digital HVAC and other controls enhance functionality. Drivers and passengers can customize the home page by long pressing icons and dragging and dropping them to reorganize their favorites. So today we have featured with us the TI Sport trim level. The TI Sport, first and foremost, is going to come with the fixed to the steering column paddle shifters, which makes it really easy to hit those paddle shifters while you are driving and turning the wheel. They do stay fixed, so it's really easy to hit those to maximize your performance. The TI Sport is also going to give you the TI Sport Performance leather seats, which are just going to feel more bolstered and more track ready, if you will. They're going to hold you in tight like a race car and really optimize your performance feel in the car. The 2020 Giulia features a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with 280 horsepower and 306 pounds of torque. One of our most popular exterior packages for 2020 is going to be the Nero Edizione package, which in short stands for Blackout Package, and it starts on the front end with the blacked out Scudetto grille, carries over to the wheels. You do have factory blackout wheels with the center caps. You will have factory blacked out mirror caps, as well as the window trim throughout the whole car. When you come to the rear of the car, you do get blacked out exhaust, as well as your blacked out emblems all around the car here. The 2020 Giulia features a base price starting at about $39,000, ranging to a fully loaded price of $57,000. If you'd like to find out more about any of the vehicles we have to offer here, or take one for a test drive, feel free to give us a call, Alfa Romeo of Greenwich or Alfa Romeo of Westport.